Hello. Is anybody here?
Triple Z, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma.
ma'am.
Where went you? No, I was calling you initially and you didn't answer.
It's because we were trying to open our Scratch website.
Oh, okay. So is it open now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma.
ma'am.
All right. So can you screenshot now? Do you know how to screenshot now?
Yes, ma.
Can I see your assignments? I need a screenshot of your assignments.
Welcome in, ma.
All right, I'm waiting. Mm, Good. How are you doing? You're here. Oh yeah, dinner. Oh, it's not good. It's more. A bit more. Where are you? Mirabel, you can't screenshot your work. Why? What's happening? Lucius,
Ma,
are you okay?
I'm sorry I didn't do my assignments.
No problem. You can do it later, okay?
Okay, ma.
Okay, Mirabel, if you can't, no problem. But you need to reset it because you'll be showing me, you will be showing me what you're doing in today's class. Lucius, can you screenshot?
I can't.
You didn't ask mommy or daddy to show you how to.
My mommy don't know how to screenshot.
Oh, okay. What's your question, Mirabel? A backdrop. Yes, you can delete a backdrop. Let me show you how you can delete a backdrop. I'll share my screen and show you how. When you choose a backdrop and you don't want to use it anymore, right? This is how you delete it. Let me share my screen. Wait. Okay, it's on Scratch.
Were you able to share assignments? She said I'll do it later. She said I'll do it later. Oh.
So Mirabel, can you see my screen now? Mirabel. Oh, yeah, Dina. You're welcome. Good morning. I missed you too. Oh, good morning, Missy Joma. Good morning. All right, Mirabel, I'll show you how you can. Okay, pay attention to the screen. So I'll go on and um select a backdrop. Okay, so I'll just choose any backdrop. Let me choose baseball. All right, so I don't want to use this backdrop again, right? So I'll click on my backdrop, click on your stage, and then you go to your backdrop above your block palette area. Okay, you click on backdrop, and then you see this place. Can you see the delete button here? The delete box. You click on it if you don't want to use it again, and then the backdrop is gone. So
Is
that's
it
how you can delete a backdrop when you don't want to use it again.
Missy Joma.
Yes, Leslie. How you doing? Yes, dear.
How exactly do you like the lift is right whilst you're trying to how exactly do you move a backdrop if you are drawing it in the backdrop place? How do you move a backdrop if you are drawn
No, you
if you
don't.
made it in the backdrop place? Or is it that that is not
Okay.
possible?
No, it doesn't work. Yeah, it's not possible because the backdrop does not have a motion block. Once you are drawing with your backdrop paint, you do not see the motion option, and without motion, your project can't move, right? We use motion to make it move, right? So there is no motion block. The motion block disappears automatically once you are drawing at the backdrop. So that's why I asked you all to use the sprite paint and I was scrolling backdrop yesterday. Understood?
Missy Joma, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. I can hear
Please,
you.
okay. I don't know. I told you Leslie traveled though for a week now, so I haven't really been with her. I don't know. Has she been participating during the classes?
Yes, she's been very active. She's active in class.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, it's just that I didn't know what that link school was all about. So after today's class, we'll start, uploading most of the assignment because she has not really uploaded any.
Assignment.
But she said she was doing them.
Oh, okay. Since you've done them,
Yes.
it's just to send it in. All right.
Okay.
That's
So
no
this class is
problem.
ending on Saturday, right?
Yes, it's ending on Saturday.
Wouldn't
They
they
are
do a
going to do
project
their
before
independence
the?
project on Saturday.
Okay, and submit
They
afterwards.
will. They will do their
Uh,
independence project. Yes, on that Saturday. So,
Okay, thank you.
all right. So, are you all ready for today's class? Oh, you are super ready. Mirabel, others, I need your response. Are you ready?
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma.
Oh, okay. So, we'll start in 2 minutes.
Yes, ma.
Okay, ma.
Yes, ma.
All right. And please, I want everybody to follow, to be active. So, to do that, you have to pay attention while I'm teaching, okay?
Yes. Yes, ma.
Okay.
Okay, ma.
Victor Malcolm, is today your
Ma?
first day? Is today your first day?
Yes. Yes, ma.
Oh, okay. So you have to, have you watched the video, the previous videos?
Not yet, ma.
You have to watch them, then do your assignments and projects from day one to
O-
day 10. Today is our day 10.
Okay, ma.
You can use Link School, can you?
Ma?
Can you use Link School? Do you know Link School app? Do you have it?
No. No, ma.
Is your parents in the WhatsApp group chat?
Excuse me, ma.
Yes, ma.
Okay. Tell them to download the Link School app for you. Okay?
Okay, ma. Excuse me, ma.
Yeah, you're excused. Who's who's talking to me?
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, Asogwanito. How are you doing?
Fine, ma.
Were you in class yesterday?
Yes, ma.
Really? Look, Harmony,
Yes,
how are
I
you doing?
was.
Morning, ma.
Okay.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. You all are welcome. We are 20
Morning,
here,
ma.
and some people will come late now. Some of you will come late now. Okay, it's 10 a.m., so we'll start now. Everybody mute your mic. Mute your mic. So now I'll share my screen and then we'll begin. So can you see my screen? Can you? Type in yes if you can see my screen so we resume. Type, type, type. Okay, you all can see my screen. What can you see there? What can you see there? Zimuzo, you are here. Welcome. Emmanuel Good, welcome. Say story animation. Okay, so today we are not going to create game today, okay? Today we'll be looking at story animation. So we are going to create story in Scratch for the first time. We'll be using our speech bubbles to do that. Okay? Are you excited? I know some of you have been waiting for this topic. Someone once asked me about story animation. Are you excited? Okay, you all are excited. Now let's start. Okay, so what is story animation in Scratch? Story animation in Scratch means telling a story using pictures that move, like a cartoon or a movie. You get to choose characters called sprites, pick places for your story called backdrops, make the characters move, talk, and do things using code blocks. So now we're going to create a story. And the name of our story is The Lost Fairy and the Good Witch. Right? The Lost Fairy and the Good Witch. So the characters we'll be using for this project is the witch. We have a witch character in our sprites library. And then we'll be using the fairy. Then we'll choose our backdrops. We'll be using 3 different backdrops for this project. The first backdrop is the witch's house. The second backdrop we'll be using is the woods. And the third backdrop we'll be using is our castle too. Okay, so we'll then go to Scratch and start coding. So how many characters did I say we'll be using again? Mention the characters I just said, I just mentioned now. What are the characters we'll be using? The sprites. Answer me in the chat box. Okay, witch and fairy. Okay, what about the backdrops? Mention the backdrops I just said we'll be using now. Let me know those that are paying attention when I'm talking. Or you all are just interested in game. What's the name of the backdrops we'll be using? I mentioned 3 backdrops. Witch house and castle 2. That's good, Oyadina. Witch house and castle 2. Witch house and castle 2. All right. And I also mentioned woods. Okay. I said we'll be using 3 backdrops: the witch's house, castle 2, and woods. There's a backdrop named woods. Okay. So now let's go to our Scratch and start coding. Let's go and get it ready. Okay. Now go ahead and delete our sprites, our default sprites. Delete, and now we have an empty space, right? So let's go and import our sprites. I will click on all right, then we'll search for which. All right, the witch is here. Okay, so the witch is here. So we'll have to go back and choose the fairy. All right, the fairy is here. So here is the witch and here is the fairy. Now it's time to choose our backdrops. Click on our backdrops area, and then we'll search for woods. Okay, we have 2 woods, right? We have the woods and we have the woods and bench. So we want to use the woods. So you click on it. All right, here is the woods. We'll go back again and we search for castle, our castle 2. Okay, we have castle 1, castle 2, castle 3, and castle 4. So we'll be using castle 2. Select your castle 2. All right, so the last one we'll be choosing now is the witch's house, of course. So you search for witch. Um, all right, here is it. The witch house is here. You select, and there we go. Now we'll place the witch here. Here is our house, right? And here is the fairy. So are you done choosing your backdrops and your sprites? Are you done? Those saying no, what's the problem? Go on and choose your backdrops and sprites. Go on and choose your backdrops and sprites. The three backdrops we are using for this is Woods, Castle 2, and the Witch's House. So select the three of them. And then you go to your sprite library, get the witch and the fairy sprites. If you are done, you type in done so we can continue. Type in done. We are 32 here, so I need more comments. Everybody should follow, please. Done, done, done. All right. That's good. You cannot find the house. Zimus or search for it. Go to your backdrop and search. Go to the search bar and type in witch house. And then you see the witch house. When you are done selecting, you go back and search again for castle 2. You see castle 2. And then you search for woods too. All right, Mustafa, you are done. Kemi, done. Asogwa Neto, done. Okay, you're Leslie. All right, let's continue. So now we want to start coding. Say something. She's going to wait for some seconds while the fairy reply. Okay, and the witch will wait for the fairy to finish replying before she'll say another thing. And then we're going to add some backdrop switches, okay, to make them change locations, right? So you have to pay attention because as we are coding for the witch, we are coding for the fairy. We are not going to code for one fully and then we'll start coding for the next person as we normally do. Okay, so now we'll be switching while coding. So pay attention. So now we're going to code for the witch first. So we'll go on and click on witch. Click on your witch. And now you go to your events and get when green flag is clicked. You drag and drop in your script area. Have you done that? So the next block we'll be using is sound. Okay. We want a magic spell sound. The same sound we use for our horses today. Right, that's what we want to use. But we're not using play sound magic until done. We're using start sound. Okay. So this sound will make it seems like they are appearing or disappearing. Right? Okay. So now when green flag is clicked, we want the sound to play and then the witch will say something. Right? We want the witch to say, go to your looks and get the say blocks. She will say something for 2 seconds. Wipe the hello and type in, welcome to my home. How may I help you? Type, type, type. Welcome to my home, comma. How may I help you? Question mark. Okay. When green flag is clicked, start sound magic spell and say, welcome to my home. How may I help you? The witch is going to ask the fairy. The fairy will come to the witch's house, right? And then the witch will ask her that question. So the magic spell will make it look like the fairy appeared, okay? And then we want the witch to have this particular look. We want her to switch her costume. I think this is the costume, but let's make sure that's the right costume. So go to your looks again, scroll down, look for change costume or switch costume. Yeah, switch costume. And then we'll go to costumes and look for the particular costume we want her to. Okay, Okay, witch A. That's the costume she have. This is the look of witch A. That's the look we want her to have. Anything then we click on the green flag, right? So we'll go back to our code and we change the witch D to A. Switch to witch A. All right. Let's see. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? So now we'll go and code for the fairy. Click on your fairy. Now we don't want the fairy to stand like this. She's backing the witch. So when you come to somebody's house, you will not be backing the person, right? We are going to flip her so she'll be facing the witch, kind of will turn her this way, right? So you can either do that by using your direction, the way I showed you before, or you come to your costumes. Make sure you click on your fairy before doing this. Let's go to our costumes. Come to your costume and you click on flip horizontal. When you click on flip horizontal, it's going to turn her towards the direction we want her to. Now you click on it. You see, we just did. Then we'll go back to code. So now, before we start coding for the fairy, are you done coding for the witch? Here's the witch's code for those of you that have not gotten it. Are you done coding for the witch? All right. Asogwaneto is done. Leslie is done. Mirabe is done. Kemi is done. Lucius is done. Okay. Who else? Mandela. Be fast, okay? It's just 4 blocks. Get it, get it. So we can continue. Mustafa is done too. Emmanuel is done. Victor done. Ojo is done. All right. That's good. You are flowing. Oh, dear, Con, you are here. You are done too. And Luke is done too. All right, let's go and continue. Now it's time to code for the fairy. Let's code for the fairy. So we'll click on fairy and then we'll start. So when green flag is clicked, we want our fairy to wait for 3 seconds. The 3 seconds is the period when the witch is going to talk, right? So wait, go and get your wait block in your controls. Drag and drop. Wait for 3 seconds. When green flag is clicked, wait for 3 seconds. And she's going to say something. Remember, the witch asked her a question. She said, "Welcome to my home. How may I help you?" So the fairy is going to reply. So go to your get your wait block, your say block, clean this hello and type in, "I'm on a quest and I got lost." Okay, type it in. I'm on a quest and I got I got lost. I'm on a quest and I got lost. Then we want our fairy to have this particular look. Remember, the fairy have different costume as the witch is too. So let's look for switch costume. And then let's go to our costume and look for the particular look we want her to have here. All right, here is the look. She's looking sad here, okay, because she's lost. So that's Fairy D. We'll go and switch our costume to Fairy D. When she's replying, yeah, yeah, that's the look. So we'll go and flip her again. Let's go and flip her. Good. We'll go back to our code. Let's do. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? And she'll reply, I'm on a quest and I got lost. Okay. So we want something else to happen. We want the fairy to say something again. But she's going to wait for 2 minutes before she say whatever she wants to say. So get our wait block. Drop it here. Let's make her wait for 2 seconds. 2 seconds, right? And then we'll get our say block again. And then we're going to clean this, wipe it off. She's going to say, please help me to find my way home. Please help me to find my way home. Okay, so let's play. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? I'm on a quest and I got lost. Please help me find my way home. Right? The fairy wants the witch to help her home. So are you there? Are you there? Type, type, type. Are you there? Are you done coding for the fairy? Mirabelle is there. Who else is there? Who else? Who else? Okay. Ojoala is there. Odigi, right? Leslie is there. Harmony is there. Zimuzo is there. This user without a name. Why are you saying no? Hmm? What's the problem? Emmanuel is there too. Samuel is there. Then you are still stuck at the witch. Why? Are you not following? What happened? Lucius is there too. Oh, the internet logged you out. So sorry. All right, you can code for the witch, for the fairy. So when we get back to the witch's side, you pick the codes that you missed out and you attach it. Okay? Ben, I'm talking to you. Oyadina is done. What's your question, Mirabelle? Malcolm is there too. Yes. Um, you have to. We're going to add switch backdrop. Just wait and see. Don't be too fast. We're still starting, right? So you see how we're going to sort the backdrops, and that's how you sort your backdrops when you are creating a project. Okay, so now since you all are done, let's go back. Emmanuel, you said I'm true, not done. We are still saying the same thing. True and done are the same thing. Okay? So let's continue. So the witch, we click on the witch because we want to code for her now. So we're going to add another thing here. We get another when green flag is clicked. When green flag is clicked, we're going to make the witch wait, right? She'll wait for the fairy to finish talking and then she will now say something else, right? So get our wait block. Wait for, let's check how many minutes the fairy will use. 3 plus 2. Mm, let's say 8 minutes. 8 minutes, right? Let's use 8 minutes and see. So we're going to make the witch wait for 8 minutes. Okay? And then she will then reply the fairy. Remember, the fairy asked her for help. So she's going to tell the fairy, take me to the place where you got lost. So go to your looks and get yourself block. Drag it and drop it here. Then you delete the hello and type in take take me to where you got lost. Wait for 8 seconds and say take me to where you got lost. So let's play and see. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? I'm on a quest and I got lost. Please help me. All right, we have to make the witch wait longer. Or we go back to the fairy. Let's change this her wait to 1 minute. Let's see. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? I'm on a quest and I got lost. Please take me to where you got lost. Okay. Now it's merged. Okay, it's okay now. Here is for the witch. Are you there? Are you there? Sorry, Mirabel, I made a mistake. I think I said minutes. Even the manual. Sorry, it's not minutes, it's seconds. It's a mistake, okay? Oh, Emmanuel, you're there. Who else? Leslie, you're there. Oh, yeah, Dina, you're there. I'm there. Harmony, you're there. Emmanuel, good. Ooh, you all are following me back to back today. All right. Now we'll go and continue. So who can guess the next person we are coding for? Who is the next person we code for now? The witch or the fairy? Who is the next person we are coding for? Answer. The witch or the fairy? Or who is the next sprite? They are person, sha. So the same thing. Oh, Mirabelle, the fairy. The fairy. Okay, the fairy. Oh, we are doing it turn by turn, right? So it's the fairy's turn. So now let's go and continue. We are coding for the fairy. You all got it right. Now we'll click on the fairy and we want to get another code. Okay. So we'll go to when green flag is clicked again. When green flag is clicked, switch backdrop to the witch's house. That will make the conversation, the project to start here, okay, with this particular backdrop. When green flag is clicked, switch backdrop, go to your looks, get switch backdrops is here. All right, switch backdrops to which house. Make sure it's which house that is here, okay. If it's not which house, you can click on the drop down. You see other backdrops that we choose. Look for which house and change it to which house, okay. And then we're going to make the fairy wait for 12 seconds, okay. So you get your wait block, type in 12 seconds. You calculate the time that we have used before. So you know the time she's waiting for, okay, when the first and second conversations is over. Then that will be 12 seconds. Wait for 12 seconds and switch backdrop to woods. The witch said, take me to the place where you got lost. So the fairy is going to take the witch to the woods, okay, and tell her that that is where she got lost, okay. So get your save block, drag and drop. No, not yet our save block. Let's drop it back. Switch backdrop. Switch backdrop. We have switch costume and switch backdrop. So switch backdrops to woods. To woods. Change it to woods. The first one is which house? The second one is woods, right? And we want to get the magic spell sound, so it would look like both of them appeared to that place. The sound will make it seem as if they appeared. So you go to your sound and get play start start sound magic spell, okay. And then the fairy is going to switch her costume again, okay. So go to switch costume, go to your looks and get switch costume. So now we'll go to our costume to go and look for the particular costume the fairy is going to switch to, okay, when they appear there, when they get to the woods, right. So you go to your costume and let's check all the costume out. Okay, that's fairy A, fairy B, fairy C, fairy. We have used fairy D, right? So once, all right, this is the look we want her to have. Fairy A, when they get there, should be like, here is the place, okay. So you are choosing fairy A. So we'll go back to our code and we change this fairy E to fairy A, okay. And then she's going to say, here is the place, for 2 seconds. So we'll get this save block, we'll drag it and we'll drop it in. We'll wipe the hello and we'll type in, here is the place. Here is the place. Let's see if it's going to correspond with the timing we added here. If it's not, we are going to adjust or we'll add. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? I'm on a quest and I got lost. Please help me to find my way home. Take me to the place where you got lost. And they appeared. Here is the place. Can you see that? They appeared there. And she said, here is the place. So, are you there? Are you there? Who is there? Type, type, type. Leslie, what's the problem? You're not there. Look, you are there. Okay, if you're not there, you hurry up, okay? You can see my codes on your screen. So arrange the codes exactly the way they are. Uh-uh. You all are following back to back, back to back, back to back. That's good. I'm there. I'm there. Ojo Samuel, you are there. Um, Manuel, you are there. Richards, you're saying hi. Are you just joining my class, Richard? Odigi, you are there. Kemi is there. Adedayo is there. Victor is there. Who else? Ore. Ore. You are there. Who else? Grace Williams. That's good. So if you're not there yet, hurry up, hurry up. Triple Z, are you still following? Are you here? Triple Z. Mustafa, are you done? Who else? Luke. Oh, Triple Z. Adebayo. Ezekiel. Mesom, are you following? Ezen Mesom. Grace Williams. Ben, are you still following? Okay, Leslie is there now. All right. Bethel, are you following? Fahan, what about you? Ah, Chibuzi, you are lost. And you didn't say anything since I've been asking. Asogwaneto, you are lost too. Okay, if you are lost, you have to wait. When we finish, I'll do a repetition before we move to the next thing because we have two projects to do today. If you are lost, you have to wait for us to finish up. Okay, Miss Summer, you're late. All right, let's continue. If you're following, let's continue. Then if you're lost, you have to wait. When we start doing repetition, you follow up. Okay. Now we have to code for the wage too. Right? Let's go and code for the witch. Click on the witch and then we'll code. When green flag is clicked, wait for 16 seconds. Mm. Wait for 16 seconds and say something. So get our say block job. Then you wipe the hello and type in, okay, let's walk around and find your place. Or let's walk around and find your way home. Okay, type it in. Okay, let's walk around. Let's walk around and find your way home. Okay, let's walk around, find your way home, said the witch. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? I'm on a quest and I got lost. Please help me find my way home. Take me to the place where you got lost. And they appeared there. Here is the place. Then the witch said, okay, let's walk around and find your way home. Who is there? Are you there? Lucius said his block disappeared. Where did it disappear to? Triples, if you are lost, calm down. Okay, I'll do repetition. Ojo Samuel is there. Leslie, you are not there yet. Zimuzo is there. Lukamoni is there. Emmanuel is there. Who else is there? Um, there, are you still following? There, you are lost. Okay, you are waiting. You are waiting behind with Triple Z. You mistakenly deleted your blocks. Oh, you have to drag the blocks back again. So you start. Oh, Leslie, you deleted your block. Drag those blocks again. Victor Malcolm, you are there. Diggy is there. Hmm. Betel too. That's good. Farhan, why are you not saying anything today? Hmm? Okay, Nasogwa Neito is done too. So, who is the next person we are coding for? Who is the next person we are coding for? The fairy. The fairy. Okay, we are coding for the fairy next. Okay. Yeah, you are right. We are coding for the fairy. So now let's go to the fairy. We are here, right? Click on your fairy. Here is the fairy. I hope you can see these codes clearly. I don't want to scroll up for those of you still trying to get these codes. That's why I'm not scrolling. I can actually scroll and I'll have space here. So now you get your when green flag is clicked, but make sure you click on the fairy before you start coding. This is the fairy's page. When green flag is clicked, wait for 18 seconds. So you're going to change this one to 18. Wait for 18 seconds and switch backdrop to castle 2. So go to your looks. Get, wait. Go to your wait block. Wait for 21 seconds. You'll be calculating your time while you are coding to know the appropriate time. So when you add any time and you check if the speech is collides, then you have to adjust one of the speech bubble, adjust one of it so that the other person will finish talking before the other person will start talking. Okay. So I'm calculating is 21 seconds. And then we'll go to our switch. We want the fairy to switch costume. So you get your switch costume block, drag and drop. We want her to switch to the happy fairy because she have gotten home, right? So we'll go to our costumes. All right, let's look for the happy fairy. All right, this is the happy fairy, fairy B. So we'll go to our code and we'll make her switch to fairy B. The switch costume to fairy B. And then she's going to thank the witch for helping her. Get your say block. She's going to say, "Thank you so much for the help, witch." Type, type, type. Thank you so much for the help, witch. Like she's saying it out of excitement. So you should add your exclamation mark there, okay? She'll be like, "Thank you so much for the help, witch." But then she's facing here instead of facing the witch, right? So we'll go back to our costume to flip her this way. Click on your costume. Come to flip horizontal and flip her. Now she's happy. And the witch is also happy too. So let's play. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? I'm on a quest and I got lost. Please help me find my way home. Take me to the place where you got lost. Here is the place. Okay, let's walk around and find your place. Here we are now. Thank you so much for the help, witch. And that is the end of our story. So you can also tell a long story. You keep making it longer and longer and longer with the wait block and the say block. You'll be switching backdrops and you'll be switching the costumes of your sprites, right? So, so are you there? Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Azima, you are lost. Wait behind. We'll do repetition now. Okay? We'll do a quick one. And we'll move. We have another thing to do today, okay? We have two projects. We are done with the first one. We'll be moving to the second one after I'm done repeating this one. So you all should try and follow up so we'll get the repetition done. So Ben, Triple Z, Diekon, those of you that got lost. Who else? Azima. You all should pay attention. I'm there. Daniel is there. Odigi, I'm there, ma, but my fairy is not facing the witch. You have to flip her the way we did. or you pay attention when we start repetition, you see how you can flip. Ooh, Leslie is there. That's good. You arranged your codes properly. Emmanuel is there too. Emmanuel, good. That's good. Who else? Who else? Oh, this is the longest project you have done. Really? So hope you all enjoyed my story. If you're enjoying this class, say I'm enjoying the class. What did you add, Mirabel? You can show me. Are you enjoying the class? Say I'm enjoying the class. Oh, Grace Williams is enjoying the class. Samuel Ojo is enjoying the class. Who else? Only the two of them. Oh, the end. Oh, this is good too. Ooh, the end. That's it. It's good. When you start creating your own project, you can add it, okay? Ah. Oh, Emmanuel is enjoying the class. Your own enjoyment is long. Oh. Leslie, you love it. Who else is lost? Victor. All right, quick one. Please, if you are lost, we are starting over again. And if you join the class somewhere in the middle, when we have gone far, I want to do repetition. So others, if you are done, save your project and wait. So we finish the repetition and we'll do the next thing. Okay? So you all should give me your attention. Oh, Fahan, I love this. That's good. Finally heard from you. So now I'll click on my file and I will create a new project, okay? So I'll go on and delete my default cards because we're not using cards for this project, right? So the next thing we're doing now is to go to our sprite library, search for which, select. She's right here on the stage. Go back to your sprite library and look for fairy. And our fairy is right here. So it's time for us to choose our backdrops, right? So we're not drawing any backdrop this time around. So click on your backdrops and search for woods. We're using 3 backdrops, right? Select woods, go back, search. Search for castle 2. Castle 2 is right here. You select. And the next one is, I hope you all are following. The next one we'll be using is witch house. That's the witch's house, right? There we go. Here's the witch house. All right, so the conversation is going to start here. So are you done selecting? Are you done selecting? D Echo and Co. Triple Z. Are you done selecting? Oh, okay, fine, no problem. Okay, Miss Oma, you got lost too. All right, righteous. Okay, let's continue. You all should pay attention because it's a quick one. So now we'll start coding and we'll start with the witch, right? So we click on the witch and then code. Go to your events and get when green flag is clicked. Drop it here. So the next thing we'll be doing is to get a sound. So go to your sounds and get play magic spell sound. Okay. So we want this sound to play once we click on the green flag. It's appearing and disappearing sound. So now we want to get our say block, so which is going to say something to the fairy when the project begins. So we don't want her to say hello to her. We'll type in what we want the witch to say. So the witch is going to say, "Welcome to my home. How may I help you?" So type it in. Welcome to my home, comma, how may I help you? Question mark. Okay. She will say this and then we'll code for the fairy. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? So are you there? Miss Summer Righteous, dear con, you all are you there? Triple Z, are you following? Remember, you are part of this reputation. Triple Z. All right, let's continue. So it's time to code for the fairy. So we'll click on our fairy and we'll code for her. So the fairy is going to wait for the witch to finish saying something. So get when green flag is clicked. And then your wait block, okay? The wait block. You're going to make her wait for 3 seconds and then she will say something. Remember, the witch asked her a question, so she's going to reply. Get your say block. Wipe this and then you type in um on a quest. I'm on a quest and I got lost. Okay, so she got lost, right? And we want her to switch. Okay, when green flag is clicked, we want her to switch. So we'll go to looks. Look for your switch costume block is here. Right, let's make her switch before answering the witch. Let's make her switch before answering the witch. So we are going to go to our costume and look for the look where she have a sad look. Oh, her sad look is Fairy D. So we're going to change this to Fairy D. right? So let's play. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? I'm on a quest and I got lost. Okay, so we don't want her to back the witch while she's replying. We want her to face this way. So we're going to flip the fairy. To flip her, you either flip her through this place, the one I showed you before, or you come to your costumes and you click on this flip horizontal. You see, she just turned around. So welcome to my home. How may I help you? I'm on a quest and I got lost. Okay, so we're going to make the fairy wait for 2 seconds, or let's make her wait for 1 second, and then she will reply the witch. Wait for 1 second and say something. So go on and wipe this hello and type in. What are we going to type in? Please help me to find my way home. Please help me to find my way home. Please help me to find my way home. Let's play. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? I'm on a quest and I got lost. Please help me find my way home. Are you there? No, Fiyin, this is not the project two. This is repetition of the first project. After the repetition, we'll go to the project two. Oh, yeah, then sorry about that. Are you done with your first project? So righteous and who else? Mesoma, Triple Z, Dienko, and others. Are you still following? I need your reply. Are you still following? Azima, yes. Righteous, yes. All right, let's continue. Now it's time to code for the witch. Okay, we are doing it turn by turn. We code for the witch and then we'll code for the fairy. So the next block we'll be using for the witch is click on the witch first, and then we'll get a block. We'll get when green flag is clicked. Drag and drop. The next block we'll be using is our weight block. Okay, but there's a particular block we're supposed to add here to the witch. We want the witch to have this particular look anytime we click on the green flag for the first time, right? So to do that, we are going to add a switch costume to her, and we'll look for this costume and we'll attach it there. So let's go to costumes and see, is it the costume A, costume B? Okay, costume A, that's the costume she have on here. So change it to costume A. That will make her remain in this costume anytime she's in her house. Okay, so when green flag is clicked, she's going to wait for 8 seconds. Make her wait for 8 seconds for the fairy to finish talking before she talk again, right? 8 seconds, and then she's going to say something. So go to your say block, wipe out this hello, and then you're going to type in something for me. We are typing in, take me to the place where you got lost. Okay, take me to the place where you got lost. Take me to the place where you got lost. That's it, right? So let's play. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? I'm on a quest and I got lost. Please help me find my way home. Take me to the place where you got lost. There's a mistake in my me. I just noticed now. So I'll type it properly. All right. So are you there? Azima and Co. Next time, are you following? Okay, you're following back to back. That's a good reply. Don't worry, we'll be switching, okay? When I get to the ferry, you do that. Mandela. Are you following? Okay. All right, let's continue. Leslie, Righteous, Azima, Triple Z. Pay attention and be following fast, fast. There is no time to waste because we have another project to do. Okay, now is the ferry stone, right? Is the ferry stone. So we'll click on the ferry and we'll get when green flag is clicked. Drag, let's drop it in. Then switch backdrop to the witch's house. Switch backdrops. Switch backdrop to the witch's house. That's it. So anytime we click on the green flag, the project will start from the witch's house backdrop, okay? Then we'll make her wait. She's going to wait for 12 seconds. 12 seconds, and then it's going to switch the backdrop to woods. That's the place the fairy got lost, okay? So switch backdrop to, you click on your um drop down, and then you change it to woods. The first one is witch's house, the second backdrop is woods. And then we want to get a magic spell sound, so we'll go to our sounds and we'll get our magic spell sound. We'll drop it right here. And then we want the fairy to switch to fairy A. So go to your looks, look for switch costume, and then change it to fairy A. And she's going to say, here is the place when they get to the woods. Here is the place. Let's play and see. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? I'm on a quest and I got lost. Please help me find my way home. Take me to the place where you got lost. And they appeared. Here is the place. So we have a problem. The fairy is backing the witch again. We're going to turn her right back so she'll face the witch. Okay. So go back to costumes and we click on our flip horizontal to flip her. That's it. That's correct. So are you there? All right. If you are not there or if you have not started, you watch the video later, okay? Because I'm not repeating this particular project. We are moving on to another thing once I'm done. So I want to finish up now. So move on. Pay attention if you know I'm doing repetition for you. So now click on the witch. It's the witch's turn now. So the witch is going to say something. So Get your green flag, drag and drop. Get your weight block, drag and drop, and then you get me your. But before then, you change this to 16 seconds, and then you get me your say block, drag and drop. And we're going to wipe this hello here, and we'll type in something else. We're going to type in, okay, let's walk around and find your way home. Okay, comma, let's walk around and find your way home. Okay, okay, let's walk around and find your way home. Okay, you see that? They got there. Okay, let's walk around. Now we're going to code for the ferry. So we're going to code for the ferry now, and then so click on your ferry. Get me when green flag is clicked. We're going to make her wait for 18 seconds. 18 seconds. And she's going, the backdrop is going to switch to castle 2. Backdrop, where are you? Switch backdrop to castle 2. Switch backdrop to castle 2. Okay. Welcome to my home. How may I help you? I'm on a quest and I got lost. Please help me find my way home. Take me to the place where you got lost. Here is the place. Let's walk around and find your way home. And they got there. So we have to code for the witch now. Click on the witch, and then we're going to code for her now. Get me your green flag, quick one. Green flag, the weight block. You all should always come early, so we won't have to be doing repetition. Okay, and you stay from the beginning to end. We're going to make her wait for 19 seconds, and we need a magic bell sound. And then you want her to switch costume, right? She's going to switch costume to which B. Which B. And then what else will happen? She'll say something. She's going to say, you're going to wipe this hello and you type in, here we are now, that's your castle. Here we are now. That's your castle. Right? And then we'll code for we're going to code for the fairy, and that's our final coding. Okay, here we are now, and she's having a happy look. So now let's go for the fairy. Click on your fairy. Get when green flag is clicked. Get wait 21 seconds block. She's waiting for 21 seconds, so get your wait block. 21 seconds. Then she will switch to fairy B. She's going to switch costume. where we be. Okay, and then she's going to thank the witch for helping her, and that'll be the end of our story. She's going to say to the witch, "Thank you very much for helping me. Thank you so much for the help, rather. Thank you so much for the help." And that's the end of our story. See, welcome to my home. How may I help you? I'm on a quest and I got lost. Please help me find my home. Take me to the place where you got lost. Here is the place. Let's walk around and find your way home. Here we are now. All right, she's facing this way. Let's go and flip the fairy. Flip her, and that is it. Then that's the end of our story. All right, now it's time to do our next project. So, our next project. Are you ready? I'm sorry if I'm too fast. We have another thing to do, so you have to watch the video, okay? I was slow from the beginning, so now I have to rush because it's repetition. Mm. Asogwanito, you can't see my screen. You have to watch the video. So, are you ready? Who is ready? Who is ready? Are you ready for our second project? If you're not done with this one yet, save the project and continue later after the class. Create a new project. We want to create a new project now. So you all, are you ready? I need more ready, so we'll move on. Please, let's be fast. My laptop is about to go down. And that's why we have a video for you to watch. Okay? So if it goes down, you watch the video later. All right, everybody is ready. Let's go to our slide and unveil our next project. Let's go there. Okay, here's the project we just finished working on. Let's scroll. Um, why is the slide stuck? It's not moving. Our slide is not moving. I don't know why. So, but nevertheless, if our slide is not moving, I will just tell you our next project and we'll begin. Okay. All right. Okay. There we go. So, we're going to create a birthday animation in Scratch, right? So go on and we'll start. All right. So go on and save your project. Save it whether you are done or you are not done. Later you can open the file and continue from where you stopped. Okay. So save your project. You all save. And then I'm creating a new project. So for this project, we don't need our cart. We'll go to our backdrop and we'll look for a backdrop named party. It's right here. Click on it. And we'll have party here on our stage. And we'll go to our sprite area. Look for a particular sprite named cake. All right, our cake is right here on the stage, waiting to be devoured, right? So the next thing we'll do is to click on, you hover on your sprite icon, and then you get me your paint. You want to write something, so you pick your text and then you type in happy birthday. We are using our name. Okay, I'm going to use my name, so you should do the same. You can use your name. All right, use your name and then type in capital letters so it will be bold. Happy birthday, Ijoma. That's my name. Happy birthday, Ijoma. Beautiful, right? So I'll stretch this up, stretch it this way. Ooh, I think did I stretch it so much? Let's see. Let's go back to our code and then I'll drag this down here. All right, happy birthday, Ijoma. Ooh, now it's feeling like it's my birthday, but it's not yet my birthday. So, are you there? Are you done setting your stage and your sprites? Are you done setting your stage? I have not been listening to me. You're too fast and you don't see anything I write. Triples, you have been seeing it. I responded to you. You said I was too fast. Then I said, save your project and wait. After the class, you use the video and complete your projects. We need to move on to another thing. That's why I was fast. So we are doing another project now. I want you to abandon that one you are doing by saving it. Then create a new project and start doing this one. I'm listening to you. Do you have any other thing to say, Triple Z? I just replied to you. So everyone, are you done setting up your stage? Leslie is done setting up. Please reply. Type, 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 type. Are you done setting your stage? Triple Z, I hope you are following this particular project so you don't get lost again. Leave that one you are doing, save it, create a new project, and start with us. Start with us. Oh, Zimuzo is done. Odigi, you are lost. How? Happy birthday, Leslie. All right. How do I type on it? Okay, let me show you how you type. Pay attention, Odigi. Let me show you how you type. Okay. I clicked on I hovered on my sprites icon and I clicked on paint. You go to your paint area and then you click on text. You click here in your stage. When you click on text, you click in your stage to get this. When you get this, then you can type. Can you see this thing that's blinking? All right, let's type. You type in happy birthday. Your name is Odigi, right? You can say happy birthday, Odigi. Happy birthday, Odigi. Am I getting it? Odigi. Well, I say the diggy. OD. Or digging. So that's how you type. You see that is there. So I'm going to delete it because, or rather, I'll delete this because I don't need it, right? It's just an example. And I'll also delete it from my sprite area. That's it. So if you are done setting up, say you are done, so we can start coding. Oh, Mirabel, your own is beautiful. Leslie, your own is beautiful. Oh, I've seen it. I've seen it, Mirabel. Hmm. So others, can I see your screenshots? Only Leslie and Mirabel showed me theirs. I want to see your own. Send it in. Whoa, almost everybody is done. So can we code? Okay, Triple Z, go to your backdrop library. Okay, and search for balloon. I said search for party, not balloon. Search for party, and you see the backdrop. Oh, I'm sorry, Harmony. Look, then you wait later on. Okay, you use the video and complete the project. But I hope your laptop will lead you through the end of this class. Happy birthday, Zimozo. That's beautiful. Who else? Who else? Who else? Only three. So others, you don't know how to screenshot. You have to learn how to screenshot on your different PCs. So when you are sending in your screenshots, I'll see what you are doing and correct you if possible. So can we code? Type in let's code if you are ready. Let's code. Type in let's code. Mirabe is ready for coding. Emmanuel, same thing. Emmanuel, good. Leslie is ready. Victor is ready. Who else is ready? Emmanuel Adewale is ready too. Mesoma is ready. Ojo Samuel. Woo, happy birthday, Samuel. That's beautiful. Happy birthday, Azima. That's beautiful. Okay, everybody's ready. So I'm ready too. When you are ready, I'm ready. So we want to code now, right? So we are going to code for our backdrop first. We want to code for our backdrop. Triple Z, have you gotten the balloon stage? Have you gotten your backdrop and your cake? So let's start. Click on your stage. Click here where my mouse is hovering. Click there and then let's code. When green flag is clicked, controls forever. Change color effect by 25. Drag and drop. Let's see. Whoa, you see that? Our balloon is switching colors, making everything beautiful. Can you see that? So are you there? Who is there? Ah, Leoko, what's wrong with you today? You are not following. Oh, whose birthday is today? Oh, whose birthday is today? If your birthday is today, indicates maybe we could use your name to design a birthday card. Okay, whose birthday is on Friday? So you can just design this for yourself. Okay, I'm ready for them. So nobody is celebrating their birthday today. Oh, Mandela said today is his birthday. So because today is Mandela's birthday, I'm going to change my name and we are going to use his name. Is anybody doing happy birthday, Mandela? So we are going to use your name, okay, for this project. I'll use your name since today is your birthday. Ooh, a lot of cake to eat. A lot of cake. So Leslie, your birthday is on Wednesday. And who else? Someone said their birthday is on Friday. Oh, Emmanuel, your birthday is still next year. You all should say happy birthday to Mandela. Type in happy birthday, Mandela. Tell Mandela, say happy birthday to him. So now, let's continue. So I'll click on my sprite. Okay, I'll go to my costumes and I'm going to change this name, Ijoma, to Mandela. Okay, because today is Mandela's birthday and today is not my birthday. So I'll click on text so I can edit, right? And then I'll type in Mandela. Mandela. Okay. All right. That's it. So are you done wishing Mandela happy birthday so we can continue? All right. Let's continue. Oh, Triple Z, your dad's birthday is on Friday. So on Friday, you are going to design something similar to this, okay? And then you show daddy and wish him a happy birthday, all right? So it's a good thing we are learning this today. Let's continue. So we are using happy birthday Mandela, right? So now it's time to code for our sprite, the name. So click on it. Have you done that? Now you are going to get when green flag is clicked. When green flag is clicked, get your forever. And then we want it to change color effect as well. So go to your looks and get change color effect by 25. Let's see. You see, it's changing color and the balloon is changing color. You see that our happy birthday mandala is switching colors. Can you see? So now we are going to code for our cake. So click on your cake. Let's code. Get me when green flag is clicked. Yeah, forever. Move 10 steps. We want the cake to be moving around. We don't just want it to stay there and be looking at us, right? Move 10 steps. Then, if on edge, bounce. You remember that, right? You know how to use this code. If on edge, bounce, so that our sprites will remain in the stage. And then we don't want it to keep turning upside down. So I don't want to use this today. I'm going to show you how to do it with your blocks too. Okay, so if you don't change it from here, I already show you how you can do the direction from your costume paint area. And now I'm going to show you how you can set rotation style too. Okay, so rotation style is in motion, is here. You get this. So this is why we are using this particular block. Let me show you. You see, our cake is upside down, so we don't want it to be upside down when it's coming back. So that's why we are using set rotation style to this. Woo! Can you see that? This is beautiful. So we want to add sound. Okay, we want to add a birthday song to this, so it will be singing happy birthday to you, right? So to do that, we'll click on the sprite. Click on the sprites where you wrote happy birthday. Okay, and go to your sounds. Get me play sound till done. Okay, and you place it right here. And then we want to look for birthday song. It's not here, so let's go to let's go to sounds. Click on your sounds. Click on your sound icon. Search for birthday. Type in birthday here, and you see. So we choose it. Go back to codes and we'll play. You see, it's doing corona sound because we didn't change it. We need to change it to the birthday sound that we selected. So change it, and we can decide to expand. All right, let's play. Birthday to you, birthday, happy birthday to you, birthday to you, happy birthday to you. So Mandela, that's for you. Today is your birthday, right? So who is done with their birthday project? If you are done, let me see your work. If you're done, can I see your work? Oh, my screen is hanging. Oh, I didn't know. Oh, sorry, you all. You know, when I'm sharing, when I'm coding, I don't see my comments till I come back to it, right? Oh, all right. I'll start afresh. Okay, I'll start afresh. So I'll stop sharing and I'll share again. Sorry, you all. Sorry. It's my network. It's my network. So can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen now? Okay, you can see it again. So I'll repeat. I'll repeat. Okay, so let's go back. So I'll start afresh. Okay, I'll delete the cat and then go to my backdrop area and search for party. And here is the party. Okay, so I'll go to my sprite area and I'll search for cake. And here is my cake. So now we want to type. So you go to your paint, your sprite paint. You click on text and then you can use your name, okay? But for me, I'm going to use Mandela. Happy birthday, Mandela. That is it. You can stretch it out, stretch it out. Then we'll go back and we position it where we want it to be. We want it to be here. Happy birthday, Mandela. Now it's time to code. And we're going to code for our stage. I hope you can still I see my screen. Hope it's not hanging again. You get the sprite one by texting. I just did that now. All right, let's continue. So click on your stage job where my mouse is hovering, you or where my mouse is hovering. Click on it. Let's code for the stage. Go to your events. Get your forever loop. And then we are going to get color effect. Change color effect by 25. And then our balloon is changing color. Are you there? Are you there? All right, let's continue. Um, Emmanuel, pay attention. You said it is upside down, so pay attention. When we flip, you flip yours too. I'm doing repetition, right? So now we'll click on our sprites. We want to code for these sprites, right? So we're going to use the same code we used for our backdrop. When green flag is clicked, forever change color effect, change color effect. Both of them are changing color. So now it's time to code for our cake. For our cake, when green flag is clicked, forever move 10 steps. If on edge, bounce. You see, our cake is upside down, right? So we don't want it to be upside down. So stop, and then we'll get our set rotation. Set rotation style left and you see, that stopped flipping upside down, is now going smoothly. Now we need to add another thing. We need to add a birthday song. So to add a birthday song, you click on your sprite one. Click on your sprite one where you typed Happy Birthday Mandela. Click on sprite one and you get me your sound. Play sound until done. Get me the sound. Can you see it clearly? Now we need a birthday song, and birthday song is not here. So we'll go to sounds. You click on your sounds and you click on your sound icon. Then you are going to search for birthday here. Birthday, and here is our birthday. Then you choose. Then we'll get back to our code and we change this pop to birthday and our project is ready. Can you see that? Mm, Happy birthday to you. So, are you through with your projects? Who is done with their birthday animation? Who is done? Who is done? Woo, Triple Z, that's beautiful. So, whose name did you use? Triple Z. We are doing this with your siblings. So, whose name did you use? I'm curious. Say happy birthday, Zion. Is it Zion? Happy birthday, Victor. Oh, wow. Yeah, Con, what are you doing? Why are they telling you to stop? Let me see your project. Send in your project. Let me see what you have done. Happy birthday, Mariah. Happy birthday, Leslie. That's beautiful. Happy birthday, Zenu. That's good. Happy birthday, Samuel. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the color. You guys are playing around with colors. I love that. I love that. Who else? So when your friends or your siblings is doing their birthday, you can design something like this. When they open it, they'll be happy you did. Okay. So happy birthday to yourself. So we can just talk for a few minutes before we end our class. That's the end of today's project. Who is still coding? So you can unmute yourself now and talk to me.
Then, ma, please, can I see Mandela? Make sure you bring something for me, oh. Ma, can I see cake code? Bring something for me, Mandela.
Okay. Here is the cake's code.
Wow. Bye. I love the project we did today. Happy birthday to you, Mandela. Today's projects are very, very simple.
So Mandela, today is your birthday.
Happy birthday, Mandela. You make it for me, oh.
Where is Mandela?
Happy birthday, Manda.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mandela. Thank you. Happy birthday, Mandela. Happy birthday, Mandela.
Mandela, they are wishing you happy birthday. You should be telling them thank you.
Mandela George.
So, are you all happy with today's class?
We are ready. Yes. I am happy today.
Happy birthday, Zion.
Excuse me, ma.
I can hear you, righteous.
Please, how do you screenshot on Windows and send it to the chat?
It depends on the laptop. All laptops does not use the same button as their screenshot, but you can search. Use the name of your laptop and search. Okay, go to your browser and search. Say how can I screenshot? Yes. No, it's not Windows 10. If it's a HP laptop or the name of your laptop, you can go to your browser and search. How can I screenshot on?
There's one thing that she adds to this.
Go on and search. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So, are you all done?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
You enjoyed today's class.
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am. What's the homework?
Okay.
What's the homework?
Today's homework is you're
Ma,
going
show the
to
code
create
for Sprite 1.
list. Okay. Here's the code for Sprite 1.
Excuse me, ma.
Mason, I can hear you. Mason,
Make a block.
your homework. Listen, I want to give you